Is your Ninja Speedi shutting off unexpectedly mid-cycle? Let's troubleshoot the issue step by step. No tools required. We'll start with the simplest fixes and move to more involved solutions if needed. By the end of this video, your appliance will cook uninterrupted. Begin by checking for error codes. If the display shows E02, this indicates a power surge or temporary glitch. Turn the unit off, wait 10 seconds, and turn it back on to reset. Next, ensure the power button isn't stuck or accidentally pressed. The button stops all cooking functions instantly. Test it gently to confirm it's functioning properly. If the issue occurs during high alcohol recipes, e.g., spiked beverages, the unit may shut off as a safety measure. Add more mixer or reduce alcohol content to resolve this. For frequent shutdowns, allow the appliance to cool between cycles. Overheating can trigger auto shutoff. Wait 2 minutes with the lid open before restarting. Still stuck? Use the link in the video description to access Ninja's troubleshooting guide. If this video helped, subscribe for more quick fixes. Have another issue? Let us know in the comments. We may feature it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!